Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can disable camera scene optimizer on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. In here, tap on the camera app. Next, tap on the settings icon, and then you want to go down and tap on scene optimizer switch to turn it on or turn it off. Now if you turn it on, you can also tap on the left hand side panel, and in here there is also a document scan option. You can switch them on or off as well, and if you switch it on, your phone can also scan documents right here, and that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to your camera. You can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.